Hello students, we'll move on to the third unit, time series. In these days, one of the most important tasks before economists and businessmen is to make estimates for the future. So time series plays an important role in economics, statistics and commerce. The analysis of time series is done mainly for the purpose of forecast and for evaluating from the past performance. To estimate for the future, the first step is to collect information from the past. So the data is observed, collected and recorded at the successive intervals of time. Such data are called time series data. Arrangement of statistical data in chronological order or in accordance with the time is known as time series. When numerical data are observed at different points of time, the set of observation is known as time series. For example, if we observe agricultural production, sales production, exports, imports, etc. at different points of time, say over the last 5 to 10 years, the set of observation constitutes time series. Here the time is the most important factor because the variable is related to time, which may be an hour, a day, a week, a month or a calendar year. There are few definitions given on time series by different people. According to Morris Hamburg, a time series is a set of statistical observation arranged in chronological order. According to Croxton and Cowden, a time series consists of data arranged chronologically. According to Patterson, a time series consists of statistical data which are collected, recorded, observed over successive increments. The essential requirements of a time series are: as far as possible, the time gap between various values must be equal. It must consist of a homogeneous set of values. Data must be available for a long period of time. A graphical representation of time series data is called as histogram. Uses of time series. It helps in planning and forecasting the business activities. It helps in understanding past behavior and it will help in estimating the future behavior. Comparison between data of one period with that of another period is possible. We can evaluate the progress in any field of economic activity. The components of time series. The observation of time series are affected by so many factors. The effect of these factors can be classified into four main categories, which are called as the component of time series. They are secular trend, seasonal variation, cyclical variation and irregular variations. The first component of time series is the secular trend. The general tendency of the time series data to increase or to decrease or to remain a constant during a long period of time is called secular trend. The long term or long period of time in trend depends upon the nature of the data. Hence, long period does not denote a fixed period of time. In one case, even few hours may be considered as long period, and in another case, several years may be considered as long period. It should be clearly understood that trend in general smooth long-term average tendency. For example, increase in the price of gold in the past many years is an upward trend. Decrease in the death rate in the past many years is a downward trend. The next component of time series is the seasonal variation. The regular, periodic and short-term variation in a time series is called seasonal variation. Generally, the period of seasonal variation would be within 1 year. Seasonal variation is predictable. The factor causing seasonal variations are either climate and weather condition or the customs, tradition and habits of people. The result of natural forces causes seasonal variation. Let's see an example. Umbrellas are sold more in rainy season. So this is an example for climate and weather condition. According to the climate and the weather, there is a demand. So weathers are sold more in rainy season. In winter season, sale of the woolen clothes will increase. In summer season, the sale of ice cream, cold drinks, etc. will increase. So these are all the factors causing the seasonal variation, which are according to climate and weather conditions. Man-made conventions are the custom, habits, fashions, etc. Example, there is a custom of wearing new clothes, preparing sweets and buying crackers for Deepavali, Dasara, Christmas, etc. At that time, there is more demand for clothes, sweets and crackers. Most of the students buy books and stationery in the first few months of the reopening of colleges. So these come in the custom, tradition and habits of people. Man-made conventions are causing these habits of people. Note, seasonal indices are used for the measurement of seasonal variation. The third component of time series is the cyclical variation or business cycle. Most of the economic and business time series are influenced by the wave-like changes of prosperity and depression. There is periodic up and down movements. This movement is known as cyclical variation or oscillatory variation. Cyclical variation is an oscillatory variation which occurs in 4 stages, namely prosperity, decline or recession, depression and improvement. One cycle consisting of 4 stages occurs in a period of few years. The period is not definite. Generally, the period is 3 to 10 years. You see the business cycle. There is prosperity and there is decline, then there is depression, then there is improvement, and then it comes to normal. The study of cyclical variation is helpful to businessmen and economists for framing suitable policies and stabilizing the level of business statistics. The fourth component of time series is the irregular variation or random or erratic variation. It is the irregular movements of the data over the period of time. These variations are not regular. These are sudden unexpected variations. These are caused by war, floods, strikes, lockouts, earthquakes, etc. These movements are very irregular and unpredictable. Example, sudden increase in the death rate of a locality due to earthquake, tsunami, etc. Sudden increase in the price of vegetables due to bandh call given by an organization. Next are the methods of measuring few secular trends. We'll do it in the next class. Thank you.